red tab and remove the stowed vest. Open the bag and take out the life vest. Hold the top of the vest and pull it over your head and neck. Fasten the strap tightly around your waist. Life vest must not be inflated inside the aircraft. At the exit, inflate the jacket by pulling the red tab. If the life vest does not inflate, blow into the red tube. Life vests for infants and children are available. Your cabin crew will assist you when required. Slide rafts or escape slides are provided on board this aircraft. In case of an emergency landing, please adopt a protective brace position. For more information, please read the safety card in your seat pocket. If you're seated in a row next to an emergency exit, please read the emergency exit safety card and follow instructions. If you want to change your seat in the overwing exit to a non-exit seat, please inform one of the cabin crew. As we are ready for departure, please ensure that your seatbelt is fastened, seat back is upright, tray tables are stowed,